Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news, so let's get started. So guys, the first update that we have is about Poco C3. Poco C3 is now officially launched in India by Poco, and the phone features MIUI 12 based on Android 10, 6.53 inches LCD display and a water drop style notch. The Poco C3 is powered with MediaTek Helio G35 processor paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. There is a 13 megapixel triple rear camera setup and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. The phone is backed with 5000 mAh battery and Poco C3 is priced at 7499 rupees. Next update that we have is about Fossil Gen 5e. Fossil Gen 5e smartwatch is launched with great features like touch and voice inputs, Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100 processor, 1GB of RAM and 4GB of storage. The watch features always on display, thousands of watch faces, track activity goals like steps, sleep, heart rate, cardio level and many more. The company claimed that the battery of the Fossil Gen 5e can last up to 24 hours in extended mode and can be charged up to 80% in 50 minutes. The smartwatch Fossil Gen 5e is priced at $249 and will start shipping from November 3 in US. At number 3, we have news from Google. YouTube Music is now letting free users cast their uploaded music to devices and speakers. Until now, only premium subscribers were able to do this. YouTube, along with this, also rolling out ability to play personal playlist via Google Assistant. Google teased around a month ago that Google Play Music will be discontinued from October and YouTube Music will be only music streaming platform from Google. So these features are being updated for that. Listing further, we have news from Amazon. Just like every year, Amazon Great Indian Festival is coming. The date teased by Amazon is 17th October and now get ready to shop with great discounts. Amazon recently also teased iPhone 11's price drop saying 4-999, which might be 41,999 to 49,999 rupees in India. But the offer is only teased for Prime users. However, for another users the price is expected to be dropped by 10,000 rupees. Let's see what actual discount we'll find on Amazon Great Indian Festival sale on every brand. By the way, Flipkart Big Billion Deals is also starting on 16 October. Moving forward to the fifth update that we have is from Vivo. Vivo launched X50 and X50 Pro back in June in China and now teased X60 series. The phone could come alongside X60s and the phone is likely to debut around the Oppo Reno 5 series launch. Maybe it will be a competitor to Oppo Reno 5 series. The phone may also retail some legacy of X50 series. The phone is expected to launch in China for first. Let's see when officially Vivo X50 is launched and at what price. By the way, what phone are you excited for? Vivo X60 or Oppo Reno 5? Comment below your views. Next update that we have is from Sennheiser. Sennheiser SD250BT and CX120BT wireless headphones are now officially launched in India, where Sennheiser SD250BT features aptX low latency for reduced delay while watching videos and gaming. The headphones can deliver battery life up to 25 hours on single charge and are compatible with Sennheiser Smart Control app for basic customization, whereas Sennheiser CX120BT features a 6 hours of battery life, multi-device support to pair earphones with up to 2 source devices. The Sennheiser SD250BT is priced at 5,499 rupees in India and Sennheiser CX120BT are priced at 3,499 rupees in India. At number 7, we have news from Nokia. Nokia new range of smart TVs are launched in India with 32 inches, 43 inches, 50 inches, 55 inches and 65 inches screen sizes. There is 2GB of RAM, 16GB of storage, a quad-core CPU and runs on Android 9 out the box. The price of the 32 inches TV is 19,999 rupees in India, whereas 43 inches model is priced at 39,939 rupees in India. 50 inches to 65 inches models are priced between 45,999 to 79,999 rupees in India. The TVs are first launched in India and are available via Flipkart and Nokia.com. So the last update that we have is from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is now officially unveiled for Indian markets. The phone is powered with Samsung Exynos 990 processor paired with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. The good news is that the same processor is powering Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The phone features a 12 megapixel triple rear camera setup and a 32 megapixel front camera. The phone is priced at 49,999 rupees in India and is available in 5 color options, namely Cloud Red, Cloud Lavender, Cloud Mint, Cloud Navy and Cloud White. The pre-orders of the phone will begin on October 9 via Samsung.com. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified for the new one. Please comment your views in the comment section and help us improve. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.